Hi, my name is Vijay. I am heading the training and development for Ecom Express Eastern region. I have been associated with Ecom for the last 4.5 years, and my professional journey is in the 15th year. I am a postgraduate diploma in supply chain as well as human resources in terms of my academics. Started my career with a BPO, then moved into HR staffing and generalist services. I have been part of TCS as a project development manager in a HRMS project. And here I am looking after compliances, training and development, and a lot of employee engagement activities. For people who are seeking time in their professional careers or want to come down or will be a part of the professional segment in a few years down the line, what my message for them would be to be open to new learnings. We should not restrict ourselves to only the domain that we are studying in or the domain that we are exposed to. We should have a wide gamut of ideas in ourselves, or at least not being an expert, but then we should have an idea. We should not be hindered by some communication coming in outside of our domain, and it should not sound as if it's completely alien. That is what I have learned in my professional career, wherein I have acquired new things with each passing day, open to learning, and I've learned new ideas. Maybe a finance guy can tell you something about finance which is very important to your professional life. Maybe an IT guy can teach you a couple of tricks which can save your time. So you should be open to learning. If I talk about challenges, I have faced challenges wherein I have handled organized unions, wherein I have been locked up in rooms by agitating employees, but have handled them by trying to explain the real scenarios and what was the situation, how the company is actually taking care of them. But unfortunately, since due to a project wind up, we had to separate them from the organization. But then everything depends on negotiation and how you empathize and sympathize with the situation and take things forward. So life will come up with challenges, but each time there is a challenge, the seeds to the solution in that challenge lies in the challenge itself. So as we always have heard that he's a jack of all trades, master of none. But here we have to be a master of a trade as well as a jack of all trades as well in order to succeed in life. So my best wishes to Dr. Mahua and her team, and the future job seekers. Welcome to the professional world. There are a lot of challenges. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it, and always believe in yourself and be confident, and the world is there to be taken. Welcome to the world. Thank you.